This is what happens to your federal income tax in the U.S. if you make $100,000 a year, have 4 kids, get married, and max out your traditional IRA contributions. Gross annual income, $100,000. Tax deductions, $37,900. Taxable income, $62,100. Federal income tax, $7,044. Child tax credit, $8,000. Total federal income tax, $0. Remaining income, $100,956.